How to apply credits on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can apply Temu credits, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to apply credits on Temu app, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Temu application here. Once you launch the Temu app, you're basically going to see this type of interface where you simply want to make sure to sign into the account, and then just head to the cart option by tapping the cart option here. Once you hit the cart option, basically what you want to do is on the next specific page you want to simply continue to checkout by tapping the checkout option here. Once you hit the checkout option, whenever you're trying to check out something from the Temu app, you just want to scroll and look for the option called credit rewards. Now if you have your credit reward available, you'll find your rewards section and you'll be able to find the apply button right next to it if you'd like to apply it, and this way you can apply your Temu credit. Or hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.